In light of the impending storm, I wanted to take some time away from just grief content to address weather related anxiety and weather related phobias. Um, so, I have a very dear friend who suffers from this, and it is legitimate. It's very real. It's actually a pretty common phobia as far as phobias go. But this induces anxiety in a lot of people. It's not just limited to phobia level anxieties or anything. So, weather anxiety is not someone being over dramatic. I've seen people say that about people who get upset about sudden weather changes or, severe thunderstorms here in the South happen pretty frequently during the summer. Um, and people roll their eyes and, they're being ridiculous or whatever. But it's not. What's happening is the amygdala is sending up a red flag in the brain. It's setting the alarm. And because the amygdala does it so quickly, the prefrontal cortex isn't so much entering the conversation, because that nervous system response that the amygdala has created, it's already happening. So uh, it's sending up the body's threat response system. So your body is going into threat mode. It's perceiving a threat. It's looking for a threat. So telling somebody, hey, just calm down, one of the least effective things that you could do in this time. So if this is you, or this is someone you know, or somebody you work with, whatever, it's really important not to be like, hey, just calm down. It's fine, because that's not really effective. What is effective is helping them to ground themselves. And I can do a whole separate video on grounding if anybody ever wants it, different techniques. But basically, one of the easiest things you can do to help somebody ground themselves out is to help them regulate their breathing to a more controlled level. Um, because you're gently signaling your body, like, okay, okay, everything's fine. Um, but that, and try not to just constantly check for changes in the weather, because all you're doing is you're feeding that fear response. You're saying, yeah, 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 look for that threat. Um, and it just keeps that fear threat response heightened. So your nervous system is just looking for reassurance that it's going to be okay. And it's just trying to keep people safe when they have this kind of anxiety. What they need is support, not judgment. So if you know somebody, please be supportive of them. This is a difficult phobia or anxiety. People do make them feel bad about it. Um, it's legitimate. It's very common, and a lot of people who deal with it, they, especially people older, adults, not so much kids and teenagers because it seems kind of normal still, but adults, they definitely get embarrassed because people try to make them feel like they're ridiculous for having these feelings. So please be supportive. Please help each other. Please help us help yourself, help each other. Just look out for your friends, your neighbors, as we go into this storm, just in case it is as bad as they say. I hope all you guys are safe.